In front of me is LENOVO Tab Plus 11.5 and today I would like to show you how you can manage apps permissions. Begin by opening Settings and scrolling down to access Security and Privacy. Then scroll all the way down again and tap on Privacy section to access Permission Manager. Following that, you need to decide which devices feature you wish to manage. I will go with Camera. Then tap on one of your apps, like for example Chrome from Not Allowed section, and apply one of those options by tapping on the chosen one. Camera access for this app allow only when using the app, ask every time, or don't allow. I want to pick a first one, so when I tap and go back, I can see that Chrome just gained access to my device's camera if I'm using it. But you can also select any feature. Look for an app that you wish to manage instead, and click on See All Permissions at the bottom of this list. Then manage all of those only for chosen app the same way. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!